EOS in a pearl and mascara in a shell, rainbow eyeshadow, and a comb with its own mane? Watch our new video for amazing Mermaid and Unicorn makeup miniatures! Mermaid is fixing up her perfect makeup. Her friend Unicorn asks her to go over her face with her magical brush. Their dolls may as well get a touch-up too. Mermaid wants to try doing doll makeup. Unicorn gives Mermaid some mascara, but regular mascara won't work on doll eyelashes. Mermaid has marine mini mascara that'll be perfect for this situation. Trim the rod of a perfume sampler. Cut off a piece of a pipe cleaner and glue it on like a mascara brush. Fill the perfume sampler with diluted mascara using a pipette. Cover the mini mascara with light clay. Make a spiral shell. Coat it with pearly paint using a mostly dry brush. Color the cap. Decorate the shell with half beads. Cover the mascara with matte acrylic polish. The Sea Queen does her doll's eyelashes using mascara from a small shell. The mini brush from the bottom of the sea is perfect for the doll's tiny lashes. What about the unicorn doll? She needs mini makeup too! But marine mascara doesn't go well with her rainbow complexion. No worries! Unicorn will find something for her. Trim the top of an old eyeliner cap using a heated knife. Cut out the brush. Remove the brush from a disposable mascara wand and glue it into the trimmed cap. Cut off the outer part of the cap. Cover the container with light clay. Make a unicorn horn. Build volume with hot glue on the cap. Make a spiral horn. Color the horn with gold acrylic paint. Color the mane in different shades. Make colorful bangs. Attach ears made out of light clay. Draw a face with a permanent marker. Superglue a half bead to be the pupil. Cover the base of the mascara with shiny foam paper. Define the outlines with acrylic puffy paint. Mermaid does the unicorn doll's rainbow eyelashes using special mascara. Beautiful! The doll's hair needs to be put in order. Where are our brushes? Oops! Where are the dolls? Are they so scared of getting their hair brushed that they decided to hide? Here's the mermaid doll. She just wants to comb her hair with her statement fish brush. Trace a fish template on foam core and cut out the base of the comb. Cover the fish with white acrylic primer and paint it in pearl. Decorate the fish with shells and half beads. Add nail beads. Use multipurpose glue and coat it with acrylic polish. Cut out a hairbrush piece from blue Velcro. Glue it onto the back side of the base. Decorate the handle. The mermaid doll's brush sparkles with precious pearls. She loves smoothing her hair out with her unique brush. The mermaid doll will even brush her unicorn friend's hair and show off her gorgeous brush. But the unicorn doll has her own brush. Not just any brush. This one is rainbow. Cut the handle off of a toothbrush. Coat the trimmed handle with white acrylic paint. Coat it with gold paint and acrylic polish. Cut a unicorn head out of foam core following a template. Make a gap for the brush in the middle. Hot glue it in. Make a mane out of yarn. Sew them through the middle. Glue the mane onto the head. Even it out. Draw the unicorn's face with a permanent marker. Color the horn with gold acrylic puffy paint and a bridle on the neck. This brush is one of a kind. Only the brush of a unicorn could have its own rainbow mane. Unicorn brought a teeny tiny unicorn for her doll. It's got lip balm inside. Remove pieces from half of a ballpoint pen. We'll need the clip cap later. Cut Cut off a small part using a heated knife. Coat parchment paper with oil and squeeze out some hot glue. Put the cut-off pen into the hot glue. Remove the glue from the paper. Trim the excess. Prime the mini container with white acrylic paint. Then, paint it pink. Melt gold lip balm in a spoon and pour it into the container. Make the shape of an EOS ball. Color the clip cap to be the color of the container. Superglue on a small shell to be the unicorn's horn. Coat it with gold paint. Screw the cap onto the container. Attach a pearl half bead to be the horn. 2 heart-shaped sparkles as ears and seed beads. Draw eyes with a marker. Doll lips need to stay hydrated too. Now the unicorn's doll lips are gold and sparkly. Redhead brought a precious pearl inside a shell. But what's she doing? She's opening it up. And there's a mini EOS inside. Remove the screw part from an old bottle of lotion. Make the cap smaller. Cut off the excess. Attach a cardboard ring onto the base to be a divider. And screw on the cap. Make a ball out of foil. Put it into the cap and cover the base of the container with polymer clay. Make the shape of an EOS. Cut through the clay between the top and the bottom of the container and bake it following the package instructions. Take out the foil. Cover the EOS with pearly acrylic paint. Add old lipstick to some lip balm. Melt it over a candle. Pour the balm into the container. The Sea Queen does her lips with the pearly balm. The color doesn't suit the doll at all. I'll keep this pearl EOS for myself. Mermaid brings the dolls back together. But they need a table and a chair to be comfortable. Unicorn whistles to call her horse. Cut parts of a table shaped like a horse out of thick cardboard. Add details with multicolored glitter foam paper and an oval mirror out of mirrored cardboard. Cut hooves and a unicorn horn out of gold cardboard. Glue all the pieces on. Put the table together. Hot glue the unicorn base. Attach a tabletop. Add details with a permanent marker. The unicorn vanity table immediately trotted over as soon as its owner whistled for it. It's very tame and so colorful. The mermaids pet the horse and the unicorn seats her doll on top. No, that's not right. Tables aren't for sitting. Here, try this soft chair instead. Mermaid gives the unicorn doll an armchair. Draw the outline of an armchair on a Pringles container. Cut it out. Cover the inside with sparkly blue self-adhesive foam paper. Cover the outside with a white glitter foam sheet. Fill the seat with hollow fiber filling. Make it look like a cloud. Decorate the chair with a bright foam paper star. This armchair is made out of clouds. It has a soft, airy cushion with a celestial back and a star. The unicorn doll will be very comfortable. Mermaid also wants her doll to have a comfy place to sit. Unicorn won't leave her waiting. She gives her friend an aquarium table with fish swimming inside. Cut a loop off of a plastic half sphere. Use a heated knife. Trace the sphere on clear plastic and cut out a circle. That'll be the lid. Glue pearl half beads onto a plastic starfish. Put it into the half sphere. Add other sea creatures, seashells, and sequins. Add food coloring to water. And add glitter. Pour the water into the sphere. Cover it with the plastic lid. Decorate the edge with pearl half beads. Color a big shell with pearly acrylic paint. Attach a round piece of mirrored cardboard to the shell. Decorate it with sequins. Glue the mirror to the table. Cut up a toy octopus to get a stand for the table. Hot glue the table onto an octopus stand. This isn't just a table, it's a wonder for the underwater world. The inside is glittery and full of fish, and a silly dancing octopus holds the table up. The oceanic vanity table needs a matching chair with shiny scales. Cover a styrofoam cylinder with reversible sequin fabric. Cover the top and bottom with shiny foam paper. Decorate a painted seashell with sequins and glue it on to be the back of the chair. The scale shines so beautifully in the light. The mermaid doll is very comfortable. Unicorn is playing with a pink brush. Maybe it's a pendulum or a fan? Mermaid needs the brush for something. Bam! And a shiny marine mini palette appears on the aquarium table. Cut 4 identical rectangles out of 2 different shades of shiny foam paper. Glue 2 rectangles together and cut out a space for the brush. Poke spaces for eyeshadow with a hole puncher. Add the other 2 rectangles as a lid and base. Poke all the pieces through with an awl and insert jump rings. Cover the ends of the palette with clear nail polish and dip them in glitter. Attach a pearl as a lock. Fill the cells with makeup and outline them with gold acrylic puffy paint. Insert the mini brush. Mermaid applies the eyeshadow from the small palette onto her doll's lids. Unicorn's got some tricks up her sleeve too. The doll claps her little hands and a rainbow appears in her palms. Rainbow eyeshadow. Trim the flap cap of a bottle using a heated knife. Make it smaller. Cut a base out of foam core. Color it with gold acrylic paint and glue it to the cap. Also paint the edge of the cap. Cover small round Legos with gold paint. Dissolve old eyeshadow with contact lens solution. Fill the Legos with the mixture. Glue the eyeshadow in their tiny containers into the palette. Glue shiny foam paper on top of the palette and decorate it with a rainbow. Unicorn does a rainbow makeup look for her doll. This amazing palette is so tiny! It's hard to believe that it really works, but you can use the mini eyeshadow on yourself as well as on your dolls. Did you like our mini makeup ideas? Then let us know in the comments about which one you'll treat your doll to. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new doll ideas from Troom Troom.